Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills you can develop when it comes to saving money. The art of smart shopping. Tip 1. Shop around and compare prices. The first step in becoming a savvy shopper is to do your research and compare prices. With so many options out there, it can be tempting to just grab the first item you see and call it a day. But taking the time to shop around and compare prices can make a huge difference in your bottom line. Think of it like a treasure hunt. You're searching for the best deal on the item you want, and it's up to you to uncover it. Check out different retailers, both online and in store, and compare prices to see where you can find the best bargain. Don't forget to factor in shipping costs and any applicable taxes, as these can add up quickly and make what seemed like a great deal not so great after all. Tip 2. Use coupons and promo codes. When it comes to saving money while shopping, coupons and promo codes are your secret weapon. These little money-saving gems can make a big difference in the final price you pay, and they're easier to find than you might think. Before you head out to the store or hit the buy button online, take a few minutes to search for available coupons and promo codes. You can find them in your mailbox, in newspapers and magazines, or by searching online. Retailers often offer promo codes and coupons as a way to attract new customers or reward loyal ones, so it's always worth checking to see if there's a deal available. If you're shopping online, many retailers have a designated section for promo codes or offer them at checkout. Simply enter the code and watch your total price drop. And if you're shopping in store, don't forget to bring your coupons with you and present them at checkout to score some serious savings. Tip 3. Sign up for store loyalty programs. If you're a regular shopper at certain stores, signing up for their loyalty programs can be a great way to save money. These programs typically offer rewards, discounts, and other perks for customers who make frequent purchases, and they're usually free to join. By signing up for a store's loyalty program, you'll be the first to know about sales, promotions, and special offers. You may even receive exclusive discounts or coupons that aren't available to non-members. Plus, many loyalty programs allow you to earn points or rewards for your purchases, which can be redeemed for discounts or free merchandise. Don't be afraid to sign up for multiple loyalty programs. The more you join, the more opportunities you'll have to save. And with many programs offering mobile apps or online accounts, it's easier than ever to keep track of your rewards and discounts. Tip 4. Take advantage of sales and clearance events. Sales and clearance events are like gifts from the shopping gods. They're a chance to score great deals on items you need or want. Whether it's a seasonal sale or a clearance event to make way for new inventory, these opportunities to save money shouldn't be missed. But don't be fooled into thinking that just because something is on sale, it's automatically a good deal. To make the most of these events, do your research ahead of time. Check prices at other stores to see if the sale price is really a discount, and read the fine print to make sure you understand any exclusions or restrictions when shopping a sale or clearance event. It's important to stay focused on what you need, rather than getting distracted by all the discounted items around you. Make a list of the things you're looking for and stick to it. And don't be afraid to ask a store associate for help. They may be able to direct you to the best deals or offer additional discounts. Tip 5. Consider buying generic or store brand products. When it comes to shopping, there's a common misconception that brand name products are always better. However, this isn't always the case. In fact, many generic or store brand products are just as good as their name brand counterparts, but at a fraction of the cost. One of the biggest advantages of buying generic or store brand products is the cost savings. These items are often significantly cheaper than their name brand equivalents and can help you stretch your budget further. Plus, Many generic products are made in the same factories as their name brand counterparts, meaning you're getting the same quality without the hefty price tag. In addition to cost savings, buying generic or store brand products can also be a great way to try out new items without committing to the higher cost of a name brand. Plus, if you end up not liking the product, you won't feel guilty about wasting money on an expensive item. Tip 6. Buy in bulk for non-perishable items. Buying in bulk is a great way to save money on non-perishable items such as household goods, toiletries, and dry goods like rice, pasta, and beans. By purchasing these items in larger quantities, you can often get a lower price per unit, which can add up to significant savings over time. One of the benefits of buying in bulk is that it reduces the number of trips you need to make to the store, which can save you both time and money on gas. Plus, by stocking up on essentials, you'll always have what you need on hand. Reducing the risk of running out and having to make a last-minute trip to the store. When buying in bulk, it's important to only purchase items that you know you'll use. Otherwise, you may end up wasting money on items that will go unused and eventually expire. It's also important to have the storage space to accommodate bulk purchases, so make sure you have adequate room before you start stocking up. Many stores offer bulk purchasing options, either in store or online. Look for deals and discounts on bulk items and consider joining a wholesale club like Costco or Sam's Club for even more savings. Tip 7. Use cashback and rewards apps to earn money back on purchases. Find the right apps. There are a plethora of cashback and rewards apps out there, so it's important to do your research and find the ones that work best for you. Some popular apps include Rakuten, iBoda, and Swagbucks. Link your accounts. Once you've chosen your apps, be sure to link your accounts and any credit or debit cards you plan to use for purchases. This will ensure that you receive credit for any eligible purchases. Check for deals. Before making a purchase, check your apps for any available deals or cashback offers. This could include a percentage back on your purchase or a specific dollar amount off. Use the app to make purchases. Many cashback and rewards apps offer additional savings when you make purchases through the app. This means you could earn cashback on top of any other savings you may have already received. Redeem your rewards. Once you've earned enough rewards, be sure to redeem them for cash or gift cards. This can be a great way to offset future purchases or even put some money back in your pocket. Tip 8. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices or ask for a discount. In today's world, haggling over prices might seem like a thing of the past, but did you know that bargaining can be an effective way to save money? It's time to put on your negotiating hat and start asking for discounts on the things you want to buy. First and foremost, don't be afraid to negotiate. Many people are hesitant to ask for a better deal because they feel uncomfortable or awkward. However, bargaining is a common practice in many cultures, and it can be an effective way to save money on your purchases. One way to negotiate is to simply ask if there are any discounts available. For example, if you're buying a big-ticket item, such as a piece of furniture or electronics, you can ask if there's any wiggle room on the price. If the seller can't offer a lower price, they may be able to throw in some extra perks, such as free shipping or a warranty. Another way to save money is to be patient and wait for sales events. Retailers often hold clearance sales or end-of-season promotions to clear out inventory, which can be an opportunity to snag a bargain. Keep an eye out for these sales and be prepared to pounce when you see a good deal. In addition, consider looking for discount codes or coupons before making a purchase. Many online retailers offer promotional codes that can provide discounts on your purchase or free shipping. You can also use apps that give you cashback or rewards for your purchases. Finally, remember that negotiating isn't just for big-ticket items. You can also try haggling at flea markets, yard sales, or even with your service providers, such as your internet or cable company. You might be surprised how much money you can save by simply asking for a better deal. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for day 17 of our 30-day savings challenge, where we'll be exploring packing lunches that will save you money. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then.